In this first MathCast, I am going to do a lesson on how to teach first grade students to write and interpret two-digit numbers to 100 as addition sentences that combine tens and ones. This is created by Tiffany Ippolito, and I used the Engage New York's Grade 1, Mod 6, Topic B, Lesson 4 plan and the Math Vocab app to help me create this. Now, some vocabulary terms that we need to use are unit, ones, tens, and place value. Our first vocabulary term is unit, which is also another name for one. 1 unit, the ones place, 1 block. The units column tells you what value a number has. For example, in this picture, the number 4 represents that there are 4 units, or 4 blocks. Our next vocabulary term is ones, which are the numbers from 0 to 9. In this picture, we see that there is the number 4 in the ones place. In the diagram, we can see that there are 4 units, and each unit from 0 all the way to 9 is always put into the ones place. Our next vocabulary term is tens, which is the numbers all the way from 10 to 99. These numbers we put right into the tens place, which you can see right here on the number. In our diagram, you can see that there is a long unit here that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 units. Because each unit from 10 all the way to 99 is always put in the tens place. Our next vocabulary term is place value. It is the value that a digit has because of its place in a number. We also know that each place can tell you how many units. So let's look at this number right here. This number has 7 units in the ones place, and it has 50 units in the tens place. So we also know that we can write this as 57. Now let's practice counting and adding our units. And then we'll put the numbers into the place value chart right here. We know that in this picture, 1 cube is 1 unit that goes into the ones place. We know that this long has 10 units that goes into the tens place. So let's count our ones first. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So we're going to put the number 4 into our ones place value chart. Now let's go ahead and count our tens, or our long units. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we have 7 long units, we have 7 tens units. Alright, now that you guys are doing really good at counting our ones and our tens. Let's practice counting and adding some units some more. First, we're going to count the objects in our picture. Then we're going to fill in our number bond right here. Then I bet you guys can even figure out, and you can help me fill in these two different number sentences. So, each box of crayons is 10 units. Each single crayon here is 1 unit. So first, let's count our ones so we can put them in our number bond right here. We have 1, 2. So we write the number 2 in this number bond. Now, let's look at our tens place value and count how many boxes of tens that we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes of 10 units. So if we have 9 boxes of 10 units, that is the same thing as counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So 90 plus 2 equals 92. Now we can go ahead and put this into our number sentences. 90 plus 2 equals 92, which also means that we have 9 tens plus 2 ones is equaling 92. Thanks for watching my MathCast. I hope you enjoyed and learned a little bit more about adding units from 0 to 99 in the ones and tens place.